Okay, I'm here with Roger, and Roger is here just after 1 year. He's actually at 13 months, so I wanted to have him do a final video because you know, this is his final result, and I want to put his pictures, before pictures and after pictures, right next to each other there. But Roger, overall, you know, I see you got your braces off as well, so you're like a new person right now. You have hair. Tell me about your hair. How do you like it? Have people been saying anything, and how has it changed your life?
It's wonderful. Everybody asking about it, even me.
You're still...
I'm really happy.
Good, good.
I feel younger.
Good, good, good. You definitely look younger, man, and just having the hairline. So, and you're telling me you have too much hair. You're saying that you had to go to get a haircut today because it was just too much up there.
Yes, exactly.
So that's a good problem to have. I'm going to have you put your head down to your chin down. Yep. So I want to show people what one surgery will do, and again, I'll put them side by side. And good, and then look straight again if you would, Roger. Any issues with the scar in the back? Are you having any problems with your work?
No, absolutely nothing.
Any pain, any numbness, anything abnormal?
Absolutely not.
Perfect.
Yes.
Well, thank you again for documenting your whole process, your surgery day, your follow-ups, and now your final result. And I couldn't be happier for you, Roger. You're one of our superstars, and thanks again, and hope to see what the new hair brings for you.
Yes, thank you so much.
You got it. Take care. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our HUE and HUE Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.